People frequently ask if they have children and are going through a divorce, how are the children going to be supported? In New Jersey, every parent has a duty to support his or her child. The way that amount is arrived at is using the child support guidelines. The child support guidelines deal with three issues generally. They deal with the income of the parents, they deal with the number of children, and they deal with the number of nights each parent has with the children. It's a formula, it's a complex formula, but numbers are plugged into the guidelines, and the guidelines basically spit out an answer. Let's talk about income first. All sources of income are included. If one spouse is receiving alimony, that's included. Wage and obviously normal earnings are included. Bonuses are included. Social Security and disability payments are included. Any source of income that a parent derives is used to compute the guidelines. The court's position is the children have the right to all of the earnings of the parents. The next question is, how many children? And you might be surprised to learn that if there are 3 children, for the first child support may be computed at $100. The second child might be computed at $120, and the third at $150. So the total child support award would be $150 for 3 children. Although if you had 1 child, it might be $100. And the reason for that is the guidelines take into account housing expenses. So obviously if you have 1 child or 3 children, you still put a roof over their head and the housing expense remains the same. The final issue is the number of nights that a child spends with a parent determines how much support each parent has to pay. If you have a question about the New Jersey Child Support Guidelines, please feel free to contact our office. One of our attorneys will speak with you, and we'll be happy to give you a free consultation so you understand what your obligations are to your children.